option for you guys. If somebody needs to go to the hospital, we have HFD here also, okay? But if you can get out, you just go ahead and get out.
I don't know, can I go?
Probably gonna have to step on that for a little. Or try to squish this. There you go. I know. Watch yourself. There you go. Be careful on that.
That's what it looks like, but you make mistakes.
She's gonna go to the hospital?
Yeah, yeah, he trips. My neck also, but let me see what's going on here.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Let me see.
With her?
Yeah.
Because they're gonna.
You will tow, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna leave in a few. So if you do, they can take you the police record to the hospital. They're gonna tow the truck.
Can I take like info about her?
Huh?
Insurance and
I
everything?
got all that.
Yeah, we're gonna get all that.
Like I said, like I tell you, one thing you gotta do is just make sure your wife is cool. I'm gonna have everything for you. So you wanna find a spot on the sidewalk, that's cool. We're gonna pick up these cars and get out the street.
Okay.
Because we put everything on one nice piece
So
of
whenever y'all
paper,
get a
so
chance,
you have all of
let's
her
pull it out.
information. She has all of your information. So.
Because she's so hurry. I don't know why. I just pass like this, street, and everybody is over there stop, it's traffic, and she goes super speed.
Which way were you coming?
From this
Okay, so
way.
you're gonna be at 5. Yeah. Stop sign is up to you to make sure that this is free and clear before you enter.
Even if
Texas
everybody
law.
stops.
Even if everybody stops, she has the right of way. Even if she's going, because we can't prove how fast she was going. But what we can prove is that you had a stop sign, she had the right of way. That's just Texas law. But what you got? So let me finish with him, and then I got you. What you saying, sir?
Oh, I'm not. I mean, like I'm past like stop sign. Everybody stop here, and I already am past,
I get you. But see, when we have the stop signs, it's up to you to make sure that when you're going through, it's free and clear.
But it's clear.
It's not free and clear. That's why the wreck. But again, just hold tight. Make sure she's okay. Let's go stand outside on the sidewalk.
Let me move a car.
It's probably not gonna drive. What you got?
Let me try to move over there.
What you got, surgery? Don't worry about it.
Let me move a car here to try to move.